Today we are in the town of Baldwin on the Jacksonville Baldwin Rail Trail. Just so you know, no alcoholic beverages on town-owned or leased property. If you walk over here, it does tell you some stretching that you can do. Hardcore Fit Center. You got some Achilles stretch, sit and reach, leg stretch, hamstring stretch, thigh stretch, and trunk stretch. And over here, you got series 2, vault bar stretch, sit up stretch, push up stretch. Oh, you got the bars over there. Oh, okay. Some more bars over there for working out purposes. You look like you got some bike ramps over there, or skateboard ramps. And then you got some more trails over here. Yeah, I think that's the trail. Okay, look at Robbie. Okay. Don't be trying to show out of your butt fall. Mile 13.
Hold on, we all trailer and all.
Huh?
We all trailer and all.
Trailer?
Yeah, we all Robbie.
Huh. Yeah, we are on the trail. That's the bridge. I thought that was the bridge. It ain't. Never mind. So we had Sick-a-Duck-a Fat Boy, what he called himself. We had him in a trailer, which you just pull behind your bike. But we couldn't pull it on some of the trails. Well, I don't know. I did a pretty challenging trail with him in the trailer, but we decided to get this ride on one, which you see ahead. Let me see if I can catch up to show y'all. Right there, you can see how he's able to ride right in front. And he also has his own set of handlebars. Pretty easy to put on. We got it from Amazon. And I think it was about 30 bucks. The trailer, on the other hand, was about $119. So the pros and the cons of the two, or if I was to compare them, if you have a kid and you're trying to ride with them, you heard some in the bushes, and you're trying to ride with them, the trailer, you don't have to worry about a child in front of you. You have a little bit more freedom, but you are pulling, which I can't really tell if I was pulling him or not. Well, I don't know. I guess it is a little lighter now. I don't have him. But as you're pulling, you don't really know the difference. With that, I haven't tried it personally. He put it on his bike. But I would really say that's the whole pros and cons. And that kind of stays on your bike and it's not in your way, so you can leave it on. The trailer, you put the coupler on and you leave it on. And you just unhook it with a pin. Yeah, you gotta get behind me though. We're in their lane. Get behind me. You come back up here, Robbie. Just move over when you see somebody coming. That says vehicular crossing, so slow down. You're gonna look for vehicles. We're good. We're still going. Right now, looks like we've been around for about 7 minutes. And we've already hit 1 mile. So let's go.
Come on, we going back or we going to...
You tired?
You all right?
You going at your pace, huh?
You got gears on yours?
Are we going back or we going this way?
Hold on.
Speed up a little bit, Robbie. Hello. Go around carefully. You gotta move, baby. Don't jump. See a deer, guys. Do you see that deer? Huh?
Ryan trying to do this, Mommy.
What'd you say, Naya? What you said?
Oh, I said this road looks like a fence.
It do. Victory! Yes! We made it. Oh my God, that was the longest trail ever. And we ain't even go all the way.
Right now.
Huh?
I have right now.